In the sunny town of Willow Breeze, where the breeze smelled like mangoes and the grass tickled your toes, lived two best friends of Remy and Hilary. Remy loved to run fast like a cheetah, tell silly jokes, and wear bright red sneakers. Hilary loved painting flowers, building fairy houses, and twirling in the wind. They did everything together. One bright Saturday morning, the sun was shining, birds were chirping, and Remy and Hilary were building the biggest leaf castle ever at the park. "Let's add a moat," shouted Remy, tossing leaves into the air. Hilary smiled, "and we'll call it Castle Friendship." But then, something changed. Remy grabbed the last golden leaf, the shiniest one, and placed it right in the center. Hilary reached for it too. "Wait," she said. "I found that one earlier." Remy frowned. "Well, I have it now. And I'm the builder chief." Hilary blinked. "That's not fair." Without thinking, Remy roared, "You're just being bossy." Hilary's smile vanished. Her eyes welled up with tears. "I'm not bossy. I just wanted us to share." She turned, gathered her bag, and walked away, quietly. The castle fell over behind her. Remy stood still. The breeze no longer smelled like mangoes. The park didn't feel fun anymore. He watched Hilary disappear around the corner, her sparkly backpack swinging sadly. Suddenly, he didn't feel like the builder chief. He just felt wrong. That night, Remy couldn't sleep. His red sneakers sat by the door, dusty from the day. His leaf collection didn't seem golden anymore. He thought about Hilary's face. The hurt in her eyes. He whispered to himself, "If you offend, ask for a pardon." The next day, Remy carried something special in his hand, a golden leaf. The very one from Castle Friendship. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!